ID picture. Our photographer.
Boys at the back, boys. Ang kagay-kahit vlog ko, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome mo. Ano siya din, ibag ko.
Let's see. It's not one. Ayaan. Ayaan.
Like what?
Bad shot na lang dito. Okay, tuwan kong gusto.
Ipagpag ng beer eh. Hello guys.
We're doing the reflection. Right. Step.
Hi guys.
Hi guys! After class, manonood ng pageant!
Who are you rooting for? Who are you rooting for?
Samantha!
Samantha.
Flores! Slay!
Corona.
Sa kanya ang corona, umuwi na kayo. Meron na kami country. Ninakaw niya doon. Good. Go Samantha Flores! Go Samantha!
Hello guys. Guess what kung sinong pumasok? Ngayong walang pasok, tas naka-uniform pa.
Masyadong good student yan.
Sino kaya sila? Tapos yan, naka-uniform.
Be yung live!
Tapos nagde-decor kami ngayon guys.
Cheat ba to? Nag-cheat? Nagde-decor na walang pasok.
Like, advantage natin siguro. Wow, hard working. Hala, hindi kita. For United Nations, guys, we're decorating. And walang pasok. Room update. A day in a life as a good student. Pumapasok kahit walang pasok. Ano ba yan? Okay lang, at least may advantage tayo sa design. Nagpalit na siya. Wow! The moment of truth! Ay, okay ba na? Oh!
Hi! Guys, it's a wrap. We just finished our United Nation. Yay! And update, we're all tired. Guys, have you guys seen Ate Sherlyn? This is our mother. Guys, this is what happened when we don't prioritize our videos. We forgot.
We forget our...
Yes, we forget. This is our entrance. This is our immigration center. Yes. Fly. As we enter, we have this board chart about Switzerland. Wow. This is the flag of Switzerland.
Thank you.
Yeah. And we also have presentations here. Yeah. This is our breathtaking view. And the most amazing part is this mother of the year, the cow, who is watch and learn. So you press it and then there's wow. Do you guys ever experience how to do? Punta na kayo sa Switzerland. Chup chup. How's your experience, Mars?
My experience 9 out of 10. I think we could have explained more of our work, and overall it was smooth.
Okay, now let's move on to John Louis. How's your experience this United Nations?
10 out of 10 sa pagkain.
Princess, how's your experience in the United Nations? Wow. Officially, what's your experience here in United Nations?
Very happy.
Happy. How's your experience about United Nations? How's your experience in this year United Nations?
It's my first time celebrating UN, so I have no idea how I feel right now.
Happy birthday, Louie! Happy birthday, Louie!
Nice birthday.
To the vlog.
Hi guys.
Yes, happy birthday. How old are you?
16 na.
How old are you?
14.
Get and see the height difference. Bastos.
Grade 11.
Love the Philippines.
Good item.
Ana?
Good item.
Ano ba ito ang kanin? Shabu.
My name is Chelsea Manala, Philippines.
Chismosa girl.
Anyang tayo,
Hi guys, so today we're doing random video and we're gonna ask this student right here since siya lang yung maiba yung uniform.
Gamers din.
Sige. Hi ate, pwede po yung matanong. Ay, kuya, si ate po yung tinanong ko kuya.
Mamaya ka na, te. Busy ang mga
Sige guys, kung kilala nyo sila, please bash them.
No video recording.
Talaga ba? Ako inaano mo?
Oo, pag mahulog yan, di mo na yan makukuha. Get all you can, pero sa isang cart. Ano? Bankrupt ka bakla.
I need clip.
Ay! Uy, awan talaga di ma-tuti smart. Wala na. Bankrupt na yan sila. Sayang. Sige, get all you can pero yan lang card.
Sabi nyo pag kayo hindi nyo binili to,
Pag yan nahulog, wala na.
in your dreams,
Gusto mo ba yung mga kinuha mo?
hindi.
Kasya lahat.
More pa?
Kahit lang yan lang yung cart niya, guys.
Ay, tumitingin yung camera dun.
Ay, wala! Oo. Wala natin.
Tingin doon.
Fernancy Roulette!
Gawa, nagpakita.
One, two, three. Oh my God.
Uy, wala TJ.
Close your eyes. Before drinking water, close your eyes.
Pupunta lang sa iyo.
Kaya nga.
Brother,
Pagpunta ko yun. May tawa yung tubig niya!
Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang ng exchange gift namin at
Hi guys! Bukas na yung parade guys.
Hi vlog, hi vlog.
Hi vlog! Hi! Welcome to my guys!
Shout out mo, shout out mo.
Shout out kay ni Rain Lazo.
Shout out ka na ni Ray. First day, shout out mo ka ni Ray.
Shout out Rain Bar, Rain Crush na kan ano Ashley. Ayan Lazo kayo. Shout out Rain Lazo. See you tomorrow guys. Or see you later. Guys. Last day guys. Vlog. See you tomorrow guys. Vlog, vlog. Moderate na siya guys. Hi vlog.
Hey guys, I'm back and again. Ang init guys. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko talaga. Say hi! Guys, nag-ship na pala ako. Say hi! Hi to our vlog.
Hi Han. Ain.
Say hi to our vlog. Hi guys.
Bye guys, BRB.
A few moments later.
Kukulang sila guys.
Nag-aayos ng anong tawag yan?
Malet.
Anong tawag dun sa naglalight ng candle?
Ano?
Alma Mater.
Hindi, nakita
Hala.
ko. Bonjour, mademoiselle, je bouquetine nakasulay, jumbo me voje, merci beaucoup. Je, oui, baguette.
Anong wiwi?
Beef. Yes.
Akala ko ano yung ano? Ihi.
Hi guys. I will show you. I'll show you this. Look.
Ay, may napapagod. Ano? Marcy?
Hi guys. Di ba kamera mo yun? It's marching band.
Yes.
Opening.
Akala ko sabi yes, March.
Guys, it's people trafficking. People trafficking. Nag-traffic yung mga tao, guys. People trafficking.
Yeah. Anong oras sa tingin mo mag-i-start?
Ano, mga magpo-forehead a few minutes from now. Anong feeling mo mag-i-start yung ano? Ikaw,
Go.
anong feeling mo mag-i-start yung marching natin? Yung 7! Oh my God! Ikaw ba? 5. Ikaw?
Anong oras na ba?
2:28.
4 yan guys.
4. Oh, ikaw ah? 3. Or 4.
Wala na guys.
Flashback.
Isay na pala si Jeep. What time do you think the parade will start?
4. Ay, 3.
4 to
Pero
guys.
I think 4.
4?
3:30 kasi. 3:30.
4.
3:45.
Ulas na, totoo. Pero at least naka-sunscreen. Ano mo mag-start?
5.
5. Ano mo start?
6, 7.
What time do you think the parade will start? What time do you think the parade will start?
Alas 4.
Same.
Alas 4.
4. Yes. 4 guys.
Hi Ray.
Kung naalala nyo yung vlog namin nung last year. Ito din yung pinagdaanan namin guys. Same situation, different place lang.
For real. Kamusta guys? Pagod na sa nakahat ng moderate na.
Next year, mag-graduate ako na ako.
4 years. Well, pwede naman. Hi guys.
Wala na, back out na, Charles.
Umai pa siya. May gana pa siyang mag
Last na to.
last mo. Ang init guys. This is the hottest.
Time check, time check.
4:48.
Wow!
Mag-5 na.
4:42. 4:42.
Sabi ko sa 5 na yung 5 na. Oy! Naman abag ka.
Ay!
Superman, hindi ka.
Ay! Ikaw pala si Superman. Fit check, fit check, fit check. Pants from where?
From Robin.
Robin Land.
Top from Robin. And cloak from Superman.
Ay!
Superman.
14!
Last one, tumakdel ka.
Ay, ikaw bumaktak din. Fake news yan guys, fake news. Fake news. Fake news yan. Time check, time check.
5:50.
Di ba mga fake news?
Sure, nagagawin pala yun ni Agata.
So, dapat na ganito is, meron yung pinapakita sa kanya na
2 scenes done guys. Yes, yes, yes. Ang dali lang nun, no?
Diba? Going ka malalan, Andy.
We're going home guys. We're going back. Bye, bye, bye. Hey kids! We're filming again.
Diba? Tumakdel ka. Open the door.
Vlog. It's a wrap guys.
Coffee mo di Tuesday.
Next time ulit.
Tuesday.
It's not a wrap.
Di pa nagawin yung
Part 2. Meeting.
I mean,
Tuesday kaya. Kaya ko.
Tuesday talaga kaya.
Tuesday wrap guys!
say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog, welcome to my vlog. Bye-bye.
Hi guys! Ada kami guys!
Ada kami, Inscribe. Part 2 na kami, part 2. Drum and lyre. Yay! Hi, ilang years ka na po nagda-drum and lyre? Ilang years ka na po nagpaparade?
10 million years!
10 years? Hi, ilang years ka na nagda-drum and lyre? 6 years! Hooray! Yeah! Ilang years ka na nagda-drum and lyre? More than 3! More than 3 years daw. Ilang years ka na nagda-drum and lyre? 2 years. 2 years? 3 years? Guys, hanapin natin yung pinakamatagal nagda-drum and lyre. Ilang years ka na nagda-drum and lyre?
Sorry.
Hi, ilang years ka na nagda-drum and lyre? 2 years? 3 years. Ilang years ka na nagda-drum and lyre? 3? 2 to 3.
Maganda ito.
Last day of the Last day guys.
bye-bye.
Yes, goodbye. See you in heaven.
See you in heaven.
Say hi. Last scene. Ba't ka bumubaba? Tapos buka ka agad.
Toy.
Like, Vincent! 5, 4, 3, 2, wait. It's a wrap!